First Warning Weather with Jim Spencer.
Now, the third significant flash flood in under a week, counting our Guadalupe River flood and the Arkansas flood, and now the Oklahoma City flood. This was the radar at 2:30 this afternoon after one big wave of rain had already moved through. In fact, parts of Oklahoma City, the north side in particular, now have 10 inches of rain today. The entire county that includes Oklahoma City is called Oklahoma County. The entire county has had 6 to 10 inches of rain. Imagine if all of Travis County had 6 to 10 inches of rain. That's about the equivalent of what we have seen up here. Now, this was 2:30. Let's put the radar into motion. Look what's happened today. More rain this afternoon, and now tonight, another big wave of very heavy rain. The Oklahoma City area under a flash flood warning again, and there is more rain developing back down to the southwest. The flood threat shifting into southern parts of Oklahoma tonight. No fatalities reported up there in Oklahoma, but many people had to be rescued today. In fact, tonight, the law enforcement personnel out there were saying if you are in a car and you need to be rescued, roll your window down and wave out the window. There were so many of them, they couldn't tell which cars were unoccupied and which ones folks needed help out of. Well, let's take a look at what's going on here locally. Outside tonight, we're looking like summertime. It's partly cloudy. It's a little breezy. Our current temperature in the area in Austin, 83 degrees. It's a little warmer out to the west. 84 degrees in Llano right now, 85 in Lampasas, 84 in Georgetown, 81 degrees down in LaGrange. By morning, 77 to start our day in Austin. Very warm, very muggy all night. 88 by noon. Tomorrow ends up being just like today, we believe, with an afternoon high of about 94. But now if you're outside, it's going to feel more like 100 to 103 degrees during the heat of the day in the shade. That's because these humidity values are so high right now. 83 degrees at Camp Mabry and 83 at ABIA. Relative humidity running 68%. Wind south-southeasterly at 8 in the city and 12 miles per hour out at the airport out of the south-southeast. Mole count better today, 981. That's medium, and grass 25 is low. Tomorrow we're expecting the mole to be medium and grass to be in that low category again. Around Texas, 67 degrees in Amarillo, 69 in Lubbock, 68 in Oklahoma City. That's where the rain has been. Where it has not been, everybody in the 80s. And you can see those showers and thunderstorms developing. Unfortunately, none of this rain down here in west central Texas is going to get our direction. There have been some big thunderstorms, wind damage out in the Odessa area. Stationary front. It's a classic setup with an upper level wind pattern that is paralleling the front. And so the rain just keeps developing over and over in those same places. But over the coming days, a ridge of high pressure begins to shut that rain off or keep it shut off for us and keep temperatures very much on the hot side. We are watching a disturbance out here in the tropics. The Hurricane Center says there is a medium chance, less than 50%, that this could become our first tropical system of the season within the next 48 hours. Way out there, 1,000 miles east of the Windward Islands. Tonight, our lows, very warm and humid 70s. High temperatures tomorrow, going to get up into the mid-90s again. 77 in Austin tonight with a south wind and low clouds. 94 tomorrow, a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky. And on the 7-day forecast, we're up to 95 on Wednesday. We're up to 96 on Thursday. It keeps going up. Let's just put up the next 7 days for you. 96 on Friday, 97 Saturday, Sunday. And what's missing from that is rain. Don't see much chance of it at all for the next week. In the morning on Austin News Today, weather and traffic together every 10 minutes.